Are you learning Spanish and are you finding grammar hard going? Well, it's not your fault. It's the system that's at fault. The reason that you find grammar hard is not because grammar is difficult. It's because it's the way that it's explained that's difficult. So many students find it so complicated. All of the names, all of the references, the explanations that don't make any sense. And unfortunately, that puts a lot of people off. And you know, being put off grammar is the biggest shame ever, because grammar is really interesting. Grammar is really fun when you get to grips with it. The difference is you've just got to be calm when you're doing it. You've got to be able to understand it, and you've got to have something that explains it in a way that you understand. It's for that very reason that we created this book, which is called Ser and Estar Made Simple. And we didn't choose the title just randomly. It was designed to make things simple. Why? Because when you read grammar books about ser and estar, they just give you interminable lists of things and you can't commit them to memory. What you need are descriptions. This book takes you through the present with ser and estar and all of the tenses and into the past, which is probably the most complex part of ser and estar. And it explains it in simple terms. We give you the names, but we also explain exactly what it is that we're talking about and how you have to think to be able to use ser and estar correctly in the present and in the past. So this book's available on Amazon, it's available in paperback, it's available in audio, and it's also available in Kindle. Muchas gracias, hasta luego chicos. Hay que estudiar la gramática.